Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEFA's Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. Look here, our topic is MCQ 34 to 44 in our revision segment. I repeat, our topic is MCQ 34 to 44 in our revision segment. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 17 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, 34 to 44, that means inshallah today we shall revise 11 MCQ. So let's see the board. 34 to 44. Look here. 34 to 44. 34. Searching for information over the internet is called option A, web browsing, B, network, C, software, D, URL. So I am telling again, searching for information over the internet is called web browsing. Option number A is the appropriate answer. Now 35. Web browsing can be done in dash OS. So look here, A, several OS, no, B, 2 OS, yes, we can consider, C, hardware, and D, software. Dear learners, from our book we have learned web browsing can be done in 2 OS. One is directly using URL process, another one is going to the search engine. So web browsing can be done in 2 OS. Now 36. Which one has a unique address? Look here. Which one has a unique address? A, web browser, no. B, URL, yes, we can consider. C, search engine, D, net. Dear learners, look at the B number option. It is URL. We know the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator, and this is a unique address. Now 37 MCQ. Internet is a network of how many computers? A, only few, B, 10 millions, C, several million, D number only 10. Internet is a network of many computers. Of how many computers? It will be several millions. Option number C is the appropriate answer. Now 38 number. A huge network of several million computers all over the world is called, so look here, a huge network of several million computers all over the world is called option number A, machine, B, TV, television, C, radio, and D number is internet. A huge network of several million computers all over the is called internet. Option number D is the suitable answer. Now 39 number MCQ. Computers can send dash to each other. Computers can send dash to each other whenever a computer will have an internet connections. During that time computer can send dash to each other. A number data, B number time, C number program, D number software. Look at the option number A. Computers can send data to each other or data to each other. Now number 40. Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of dash. So look, Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of A number hardware, no. B number search engine, yes, we can think. C number program, and D number monitor. Dear learners, I have told you several times in my class, that's Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, etc. These are the example of search engine. Now MCQ number 41. Which of the following is a web browser? So look here, here we have got the search engine. Here it is asked to which one is to find out the web browser. Google, no. Google is an example of search engine. Google Chrome, yes, we can think. Yahoo, no. Bing, no. Which one of the following is a web browser? That means Google Chrome. Google Chrome is an example of a web browser. Opera Mini, Google Chrome, these are the example of web browser. 43 number MCQ. So look, what is the full form of URL? So look, what is the full form of URL? A number, Uniform Resource Locator. So look, what is the full form of URL? It is Uniform Resource Locator, B number United Resource Locator, and C number Uniform Resource Locator. United and uniform, look here. Okay, it will be A number is the appropriate answer. It is Uniform Resource Locator. Now 44 number, the information is saved at a unique spot of the computer known as, so look here, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as website, B software, C number search engine, and D number hardware. Dear learners, look here, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as a website. I have told you several times, it will be website. Now dear learners, I am telling you the number and the answer quickly so that all of you can understand and revise it. 34, searching for information about the internet is called a web browsing. 35, web browsing can be done in two ways. 36, which one has a unique address, URL. 37, internet is a network of how many computers, C, several million. 38, a huge network of several million computers all over the world is called internet. 39, computers can send data to each other. 40, Google, Yahoo, Bing are the examples of search engine. 41, which one of the following is a web browser? It is Google Chrome. 43, what is the full form of URL? It is Uniform Resource Locator. And last one is, the information is saved at a unique spot, the computer known as website. Dear learners, I hope that all of you have understood this revision class. Keep practicing at home and see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.